Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of a website named as Rolvip.com. So Rolvip.com is basically an online platform that provides you with a lot of earning opportunities by doing simple tasks, or even if it gives us sometimes the giveaways. It also gives the cashbacks every week if you purchase something and coins of some games from their platform. So now let's dive in and find out if it's actually a legit platform. As you can see, once I tried searching for the reviews of this platform, I got to know on the malware tips it markets itself as a #1 decentralized crypto gaming platform. But once I tried searching for the scammer, we got to know at first glance it appears to be a legitimate online store. But the thing is that professional looking website backed with a lot of promises is not actually what it claims to be. So I tried searching for its reviews on the Scam Advisor website, and I got to know it has a worst possible trust score of 1 out of 100. So based on these reviews on different other website, I would say like this platform is pretty much a scam, and you should avoid purchasing any items or coins from this platform, even connecting your account with this one. So hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.